This tutorial will help you set up an installment agreement for an unemployment, disability, and paid family leave benefit overpayment. A benefit overpayment is when an individual collects unemployment, disability, or paid family leave benefits they are not eligible to receive. It is important to repay overpayments to avoid collection and legal action. This is the Benefit Overpayment Services homepage. Select Set up an installment agreement. Not all claimants will qualify for an installment agreement. Review the requirements provided on the screen before proceeding. Select Next to continue. Choose a billing method. Select ACH debit to have the funds automatically debited from your bank account, or select paper coupon to send your payments by check. For this example, we will choose ACH debit. Select Next to continue. On this screen, you will be able to view the total balance and set up your payment preferences for the installment agreement. If you would like to make a down payment, enter the date you would like your down payment to be taken out from your bank account. Then enter the amount you want to pay. Next, select a payment frequency. This is how often the payment will be taken out from your bank account. You may choose bi-weekly, monthly, or weekly. Then enter the date you would like your first payment to be taken out from your bank account. This date must be at least 7 days after your down payment. Select the method of calculating your payments. If you choose by number of payments, enter the total number of payments you prefer to make, and the dollar amount of each payment will be calculated for you. If you choose by payment amount, enter the payment amount you prefer to make, and the total number of payments will be calculated for you. For this example, we selected by payment amount. Select Next to continue. If you selected ACH debit, you will be asked to enter your banking information here. Select the bank account type from the drop-down menu. Enter your bank routing number. The bank name will automatically populate based on the routing number you entered. Enter the bank account number, confirm bank account number, then select Next. This is your approval and authorization for the EDD to set up an installment agreement on your behalf. Review the summary page and select the I agree checkbox to certify you have read the agreement and understand the terms and conditions. Select Submit to complete your request. This is your confirmation that your installment agreement request was submitted. Make a note of your confirmation number or print a copy for your records, then select OK. To view your submitted request, select the More tab. Select Search Submissions. Select the title of the request. Here you can see the request you submitted, the status of the request, and the confirmation number. We hope you have found this tutorial on how to set up an installment agreement in Benefit Overpayment Services helpful. Additional information is available at edd.ca.gov or by calling the Benefit Overpayment Collections section at 1-800-676-5737.